Amelia. Today I am going to discuss about bacteriological analysis of milk, in particular dye reduction test like MBRT and rhesus urine test. These both tests are used to find out the bacterial contamination of food, especially in milk, and which is based on the utilization of oxygen by bacteria, which will reduce dye and decolorize it. Now, we discuss about the MBRT test. First of all, full form of the MBRT is methylene blue reduction test. MBRT test is used to assessment of quality of raw milk and pasteurized milk. First of all, take 10 ml of the milk in sterile tube and add 1 ml of 0.005% MBRT dye solution. Then tube are closed with the sterile rubber stopper and placed into water bath at 37 degrees Celsius for few hours. After the incubation, note down time taken for the decolorization process. Principle of MBRT is based on oxidation reduction potential. Methylene blue, which is blue color in its oxidized state. When the oxidized state of methylene blue are added in milk, if higher amount of the microorganism present in milk, which will utilize the dissolved oxygen and convert it into reduced form as a result of metabolic activity of the bacteria in milk. And finally, blue color are converted into colorless. Grading of raw milk is based on MBRT. If dye color is disappear in above 5 hours, it means the milk has very good quality. If dye color is disappear in 3 to 4 hours, it means the milk has good quality. If dye color is disappear in 1 to 2 hours, it means the milk has fair quality. And if dye color is disappear in 30 minutes, it means the milk has poor quality. Factor affecting in reduction process of a MBRT test. Rate of reduction depends on the nature of organism present in the milk. First factor, the rate of reduction by the different type of the microorganism like E. coli, Streptococcus lactis, fecal streptococci, micrococci, thermoduric organism. It means those organisms which are able to survive in a high temperature. And psychrophilic organism, it means those organisms which are able to survive in a low temperature. Next factor, light hasten reduction, and therefore the test should be kept covered. Some bacteria are causes screaming effect in the surface of milk, so the tubes should be inverted periodically. Any manipulation or handling process that increase the oxygen in milk and which will affect the test. Now we discuss about the rhesus urine test. It is also used to estimate quality of milk. Principle of rhesus urine test is the same as the MBRT test, but in this test use more sensitive rhesus urine dye. First, mix 10 ml of milk sample with 1 ml of 0.05% rhesus urine dye solution. Invert the tube and mix well. After the mixing, incubate at 37 degrees Celsius for few hours. And last, examine the tube after some period of time and check the milk quality. Judgment of milk quality is based on the color product of the milk. If dye color is blue, it means the milk has excellent quality. If dye color is deep mauve, it means the milk has good quality. If dye color is deep pink, it means the milk has fair quality. If dye color is whitish pink, it means the milk has poor quality. And if dye color is white, it means the milk has bad quality. MBRT and rhesus urine test is also used to check quality of other food like maple sap, red meat, ground beef, egg, seafood, vegetables, and etc. Advantages of methylene blue reduction test and rhesus urine test. Both tests are very simple, rapid, and inexpensive. Only living or viable cells are actively reduce the dye. Disadvantages: not all organisms reduce the dye equally. Not applicable for those food which contain the reducing enzyme. Thank you.